the fingers behind. Stretch the hands back. 1, 2, release the butt. 3, release. 4, shift, release. 6, 7, relaxed, head down. Opening both the hands to the sideways. Raise the right leg up. You need to watch. Raise the right leg up, and from here do a shift to the left side. Holding here. Keep moving the right chest towards the right side. 1, 2. Later you can bend the knee, place the foot, hold. But keep extending the right hand. So right hand and the right knee is working opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn the head right. 5, right side, 6, 7. Come back. Remove the bricks from the sideways and then do it. Yeah. Change the side. Left leg up. Left foot towards the right side. Right side, yes. 1. Place the foot to bend the knee. Keep opening the knee. Keep moving the left hand forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, come back to center. Going to Anantasana. Right elbow stand. Right elbow stand. Turn to the sideways. Sideways. Anantasana, Vishnu Asana. Take the left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place the left foot out right knee, outer right knee. Hold there. Left foot, outer right knee. And start extending the left hand forward in front of you, and move your left knee away. Left knee away, hold there. 1, 2, 3. Come back on the stomach. Catch the ankle and get your knees together, feet together, toes together. Now check Cross the hands and are you able to hold this? Cross the hands and if you are able to hold it. Yes. Cross the leg at your ankle, if you can do that. And lift the body. 1, bas. 2, 3, 4. If crossing of the leg is not working, then do this. 5, but keep your legs together. 6, 7. Exhale, release. Anantasana, other side. Yad, keep remember your which leg was up. Change the side of Anantasana. Right leg is up, left elbow is stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Placing the foot outer knee. Extend the hand forward and start moving the knee away. Work on the glute. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhaling, come back on the stomach. Cross the ankle. Check the opposite.